My name is Popoola Funke. I thank God for everything that God has perfected, and even Dr. Krishna Kumar for that God used for me. And due to what my husband has said, that Chris Hospital is the best hospital, in which even I can advise other people that wherever they are coming for the major surgery, and with the help of God, they should come down to Chris Hospital at Hyderabad, because in terms of everything they are very, very good, caring, patient advice, in everything they are very, very good, and we bless God for them. Thank you very much.
My name is Popoola Jeremiah Oladipupo. I came from Nigeria to India for surgery. This is my wife, Popoola Funke Ayobami. She's the patient. She's the patient that have the problem. We thank God. We done the surgery successfully. God take control. The name of the hospital is the King's Hospital, India. When we get here, the staff, they are very nice to us. They take care of us. They are good to us in all the time. They advise us. They do many things. We are really enjoying our stay, and then the doctor, the surgeon that is do the surgery, they are very nice. They are do everything for our convenience. We are really appreciate, and we are very happy that the surgery is successful, and here we are very, very happy. Thank you.